Okay, so here's the 12-volt socket. This is what it looks like. This is the second one that I'm going to be installing in this truck camper. I've been very happy with it. They're very well made. You can see they are sealed on the back here with silicone around the USB port. It has this aluminum finish on the outside. It's got rubber enclosures. This is considered a marine application. The 12-volt power socket does have a lock, so when you insert the plug in, it won't like back itself out. Great little design. It helps keep the plug secured. We'll put a link in the description for where I bought this. I bought it on eBay from this company here, 5 Oceans Marine Product. They do give you this schematic drawing of it. It is rated at 20 amps. And the other handy thing with this is it gives you a cutout. So I'm going to cut this out with a pair of scissors, tape it up, and then notch this hole out with my little multi-tool cutter, little variable speed cutter. And this is a little Dremel cutout tool used for making cutouts. It works really slick. Okay, so we've got our positive and negative wires connected. Positive wire to the circuit breaker, negative wire to this clamp. That screw was a real bugger to undo up there, so I ended up sliding it down and connecting the chassis ground together. So it's a good solid connection, and it's easy to get to possibly add another ground wire to in the future. So real quickly, just going to show you how I'm doing this. I just drilled a hole through the back side, approximately where I wanted it. And then I found the center here. It's a little bit of light, probably too much light. Found the center of the cutout and just put a piece of tape up here. So I'm just going to go ahead and route out this little cutout area here, and should have it perfectly exactly where I want it. Finished product, there it is. Up, out of the way. Still leaves me enough room for storage. And that's what it looks like on the outside. Sorry for the light, guys. All right, hope this helps you guys out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.